Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a tutorial for those of you who are very new to Minecraft. This tutorial is going to be for people who just got the game, the settings are wrong. So this is to do with FOV, so this is how far your perspective is zoomed in. As you can see, mine is zoomed out as maximum as you can go without giving yourself effects. If we just press escape, the escape key, up in the top left hand corner of your keyboard, we click on options. Up the very top left hand side, there's going to be an option called FOV. I don't know what this stands for. I should know what it stands for, but I don't. But toggling this will toggle how zoomed in you are. So if you're very new to playing and you don't, you need it to be up close so you can actually hit the blocks. This option is not good for moving around late game, but it makes it easier to place the blocks because the blocks are bigger. It makes the blocks bigger from your perspective, so it's easier to place and break blocks using your left and right mouse button. But later on, eventually you're going to think that this is absolutely horrible to look at, and you're going to want to switch it probably all the way up to Quake Pro. There is a whole mid-range, you can see it zooming in and out in the background there. But I personally zoom it out as far as possible because this gives me the widest field of view. This means that blocks are slightly smaller at a distance and it's slightly harder to place them, but I would recommend setting your FOV to Quake Pro straight away. Maybe not straight away if you've only just got the game, but eventually you're gonna want to set the setting there. And that's pretty much all you got to do. This is my little command block contraption that I've set up here to make explosions. There's another one over here. This one does. What does it do? I forgot what do you do. What do you do? You do a tidal wave, don't you? Yes, you do. Tidal wave of TNT minecarts. That's going to be a later game thing as command blocks, probably, if you're just getting into the game. This tutorial is for absolute beginners. Tutorial's over now. This is just me mucking around the game. This is another one that I made. Oh dear. That's not good. Okay, so depending on what pressure plate you use on this particular stand is how much damage you'll do. This one does much more damage. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty overpowered. We'll do one last thing. I'm just showing off all the things that I wasted time building for anyone who's got the patience to stick around. Oh, look at this tornado. Explosion tornado. It's going to climb up into the skies, I'd say. Look at that. It's climbing just like a little plane. Whee! Look at it go. Look at it go. A little snake of command blocks. That's basically just a string of command blocks that are under the ground here, which are a little operator block you can give yourself if you have operator privileges, which you do on a creative world on your single player, but in multiplayer it's a bit more of a mission to get up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.